Miesha Tate beats Holly Holm in UFC 196 upset with blistering 5th-round win. The co-main event in Las Vegas didn't disappoint, but Holm couldn't follow up her Ronda Rousey knockout with another win tonight. Miesha Tate has beaten Holly Holm at UFC 196 by submission in an incredible bout in Las Vegas to become the new bantamweight champion of the world. This was Holm's first defense of her belt since defeating Ronda Rousey back at UFC 193, and she herself decided to take the fight before offering Rousey a rematch later on in the year. The fight was exciting throughout, though the action began tentatively in the first round with Holm landing the better shots with some stinging right jabs and well-directed kicks to the midsection. The tide turned in the second, though as Tate managed to score a takedown on Holm. After using elbows to maneuver around to her back, Tate locked in a rear naked choke that Holm only just managed to wriggle out of to survive the round out. In round 3, momentum shifted once again back to Holm as she went back to using her jabs and side kicks to manage the distance and stuff Tate's takedowns. A similar pattern followed in the fourth, as it seemed Holm was now moving towards victory with 3 rounds in the bank compared to Tate's 1. Tate wasn't to be denied though, and in the 5th round she gambled and ducked under a straight right from Tate and took her back with 2 minutes remaining. From that position, Tate managed to once again sink in a rear naked choke, and this time, Holm couldn't escape. Bravely, the champion went out of her sword as Holm refused to tap with the choke sunken deep. Holm was briefly unconscious as the referee called the fight off, and we had a new UFC Women's Bantamweight Champion of the world. I feel like we had a great game plan. We had to be patient. She's capable of catching anyone at any moment. She's a very calculated fighter. This is obviously a very emotional moment for me. I knew I had to finish the fight. I had to find that perfect time. I had to be patient. Ahead of the fight with Tate, Holm refused to discuss talk of a potential rematch with Rousey. At this point, I'm not looking past 5 March, she explained. That's as far as my mind will let me go, that's as far as my heart and my passion will let me go. You're never promised another fight. I want to make sure I make the most of this fight and not look past it. Many fans expected Holm to face Rousey in a rematch, likely to be staged at UFC 200 in July, but the defeat leaves Tate in line for a 3rd fight with the former champion.